What's going on, everybody? Checking out the market. Figured I'd hang out with you guys. Oh, I need to send out the link. Let me send out the live stream link. Check out these charts. Check out these charts. Man, I got about an hour. See what's going on with you guys. You guys out there making those gains. Making those gains. Getting the bag. That's what's up. Let's see. Let me see here. See if anybody's on the chat. Oh, we got somebody. Yo, welcome. Welcome. Ben is crushing it. My goodness. I covered Ben like literally right around here. No, it was right around here. Yeah, because he had just made that little dip. This is where I bought, and then the video, I couldn't get the video out until right here. And then he had a pump and then a dump. But in any event, from that dump, is that almost like a 10x? That's almost a 10x overnight after the insane pump. Man, only in crypto. Yeah, you still got in. You still got in. And you know, the crazy thing is, you know, these people here on Ben, I really like what Ben has going for it. All right. These people here, and this is my, my perspective. These people here, they got the drop. Obviously, whoever was here, they started buying here. You can see here, what is that? The 8th. So hours before, maybe even back here, people was accumulating. But even if you didn't get the news until like here, you had a good entry here around this zone. So that's why when I did the video, I drew the fib zones so you guys could see where you could possibly enter. So I drew a fib zone from here to, I think it was here at that time. Was it from here to here? I think it was, what time was that? That was, yeah, so that was right around here. So yeah, this is when I bought, right around here. Right, so I had did a fib retracement, or I pulled a fib on it from here to here to this top, because we didn't have all of this yet. So you could have bought at the 0.5 level, so that would have been a good entry. Yep, because you gotta think, you got that second wave of people who get the information. So by the time they got the information, they came in, they bought, and it pushed up the price, and then people dumped, and then more people bought on that dip again. So it was almost like it did a double bottom, kind of. If that makes any sense. It's almost like it did a double bottom. It went here, and then here, and then it just took off. It was like, see ya. Yeah. Crazy. Insane. Now, how much gas does Ben have left in the tank? Well, if I look at the 1 hour, definitely has more room to run. Definitely. Yeah, so you said you thought you was late on Ben. So how many X's are you up? I'm not asking how much you in profit, but how many X's are you up? Did you get at least a double or a triple? Because we up like 800%. It's crazy. Check out the Twitter, what they got going on. Wow, overnight, they've gained like 5,000 Twitter followers. Wow. Oh, and Ben got listed on Poloniex. Wow. Wow, guys. Is Ben going to $1 billion market cap? Maybe. You never know. It's already on L-Bank and Poloniex. Wow. There's Ben Armstrong tweeting. Yeah, I've been following Ben Armstrong for like years. Seriously, since I first got into crypto. I got mad respect for him. Seriously. Serious. Who was the character Ben? Apparently Ben is this character from some show. And I remember watching this show, not like I sat there and watched it, but I've seen him live somewhere. I don't know where I saw it. It was a while ago, but when I saw the image, I said, "Oh, I know that character." But I can't remember where I saw it. I don't know if it was TV, streaming, something, but I don't remember exactly. Ben will save the world. This guy says a 10x is FUD. Wow. Could Ben be the new hot meme coin to go to $1 billion market cap? What's the market cap right now? 52 million? Man, if Ben went to a $1 billion market cap, that's a 20x. If you believe that, then it's not too late. It's crypto. You never know. You never know. He's already on 2 exchanges, and the price is still going up. Let's see the 30-minute. Oh yeah, 30-minute is about to push up. I think Ben is about to push past his all-time high. Yeah, easily. I totally see that. I can totally see that. Yeah. Yep, right here. Yeah, he's got room to run here. You take a look at that cross there. Yeah, totally. We'll see. That will push him past 16, which is another 30% move up. Wow. That's crazy. Crypto can truly change your life in one day. If you make one decision, it goes both ways. The pool run? What do you mean? The meme run or Ben? See, he already hit 16 just as I was talking about it. Yeah. Yeah, he got more room to run. Totally. The bull run. I'm trying to figure out exactly what your question is. The bull run or for memes or the whole market? You mean, do I think that we're going down? Let me check. Pepe doing? Trading sideways. BTC. See BTC USD. The Pepe chart and the Bitcoin chart from the past few days almost look similar, if not the last 24, 48 hours. So Bitcoin going down is definitely having an effect on Pepe. Oh, what's BAM doing? BAM is moving. I covered BAM this morning. BAM is moving. Wow. Could BAM do a 5x from here? I totally think so. I think so. We have to see how many people are bullish on BAM. But I think people are going to be bullish on BAM the more people find out about it. So I think as long as Bitcoin stays above, let's see, I'm looking for that moving average on the daily. Technically, Bitcoin could come down to 22K and will still be considered bullish, if you ask me. But I would like to see him hold 25 at least, which is here. Matter of fact, let me set an alert. Yeah, I'm prepared for 25 mentally. I mean, do you suggest buying BAM now or no? So let's see. So I would wait on BAM to see if you could get an entry at 7.9. You have to see here on the 15 minute. Yeah, the 15 minute is overbought. So I would see if you could get an entry at around 7.9 on BAM. Yeah, totally. Unless people just keep buying this for some reason because they're bullish on it. But I could see it hitting this zone here. It's at a $10 million market cap. It's like these meme coins are having their run and then everybody's done with them. They're looking for the next. Look at Wojak. Wojak is just down. Now, it doesn't mean it can't recover, but it seems like they have their epic run and then that's it. But, you know, Bitcoin is coming down just a little bit. Even Bitcoin retracing a few percent. These meme coins, they retrace like dozens of percent. If any bit of weakness in Bitcoin, they just crack. And look, Wojak has almost given all of these gains back. He's almost back to his base from the initial move. That's insane. He's down 78%. To his base will be 94%. And to be honest, that looks like that's where he's going. Just like my thoughts on Pepe. Pepe has achieved what no other meme coin has ever achieved in that short a period of time. And the thing here is that there's no market structure over here. There just isn't. I mean, you've got like 1 to 2 days of buy blocks here of consolidation, and then he moved up. So this is really the last line of defense for Pepe where he is right now. If that don't hold, oof. Like I said, I'm prepared mentally to see a 9 or 10 on Pepe as far as the price. You know, 6 zeros and a 10. What is it, 6 zeros and a 10 or 6 zeros and a 9? Yeah, 6 zeros and a 9. I'm ready to see that. Or 5 zeros and a 1. Or 5 zeros and a 1 too. I'm totally ready for that. Totally. Like mentally. But BAM, that's where I would try to get in. But Yeah, I would try to get in around there. Maybe you get lucky and maybe it hits it. You just got to see. But for such a young token, the chart is relatively strong. You've got consolidation here. It didn't come out and just dump. You know, when I see tokens like that on Uniswap, they've been out for a day or so, or half a day, and they're just doing this. They didn't have a pump yet. Then I want to research and see what's going on. So it looks like this zone here is some type of support. This zone. Check Pepe chart. Yeah, I just went over the Pepe chart. What do you want to see exactly? So on the Pepe chart, can I make this bigger? See if I can make this bigger. Yeah. Much better. All right, so on the Pepe chart, I pretty much just go off of support and resistance zones. I don't get into too much of the symmetrical patterns and whatnot, because I think those are more prone to manipulation. All this stuff's prone to manipulation, but in any event, we can see here on the 30-minute, it looks like Pepe may try to bounce. We got a cross up here. Yeah, he just crossed up there. Let's see. If you look at the larger scale of Pepe's epic move, I'm going to pull a fib all the way from the beginning of Pepe, and you can get the bigger picture. So you can see what the deal is. You can see what the deal is here. So you had resistance here, which is now acting as some type of support / resistance. Pepe's trying to stay above it, right? He's trying to stay above it, but he's now has resistance overhead here, which I will probably move this here, but it's close enough. He's got resistance at 23. He's got a few different resistances, all right? But now he has support here as well at 14.99. So he keeps wicking off this 14.99. Here, before he had that crazy rally, he bounced off of it a few times and then pushed higher. So can this act as another region where he could bounce from? We'll just have to see. Volume on Pepe is still decent. People are still trading it actively. Let's see here. Yeah, I see another zone here. If he loses 15, then I totally see Pepe coming down to 10. Totally. And so here's the deal. You guys know how I feel about Pepe. I like what it stands for as far as a meme token. We know it's a meme token. The only utility for Pepe right now, if you can call it utility, is the community. And the community is pretty bullish. We haven't been this excited about a meme token since Shiba Inu. You know? So other than that though, what else is there for Pepe to accomplish at this point in time today that will make Pepe holders extremely bullish? That will make me extremely bullish. Other than some news about how they're going to bring utility to Pepe. That and a Coinbase listing. If we get a Coinbase listing on Pepe, it'll skyrocket. But if we don't get enough good news, right? Because all of this whole chart is emotion. This is all human emotion. This is people bullish on Pepe taking out Shiba Inu by market cap, overtaking SHIB token, and overtaking Dogecoin at some point. This is fear of missing out because they missed Doge, they missed Shiba Inu. There are many different variables that play into why PEPE pushed to almost a $2 billion market cap. Those are no longer in play. The speculation, the initial speculation on PEPE is gone. It's now established itself as a blue chip meme token if it stays at or around the $1 billion market cap, right? But what else is there? There's nothing, right? And that was the same thing with Shiba Inu. Once it hit Binance, it just dumped. I mean, it just crashed, guys. It was really tough. It was really tough. It hit Binance, and once it hit Binance, it was now exit liquidity for the whales. The people who were holding big bags of PEPE because they got in earlier, they could now dump it on the exchanges because they had the liquidity. But long term, if you're holding PEPE, I think you'll be fine. It's just right now to DCA into PEPE right now, it doesn't have a lot of history. So you would be buying it right now. And if you didn't get in down here before this whole move, buying it right now is still in the zone of risk, because he could still come down here. You could lose another 40 to 50%. Now, this is just a probability. I mean, he could shoot up 20 to 40, 50% at the time of me making this video. There could be a squeeze, there could be a catalyst, an announcement, anything. We don't know. You know how it goes with crypto. Cryptos just do crazy things, right? Yeah. But I still think that, 30 to 50% drop from here is totally possible. Yeah. And worst case here. I know people don't want to hear that, but sometimes you got to prepare yourself for stuff mentally. Otherwise you get wrecked. If you hold something so blindly, without knowing what the possibilities are, it could crash on you. But if you're long on PEPE, you actually want the price to go down. You want to accumulate more. If you're long on PEPE, then this is just noise. All of this is just noise. People talking about the price. How far down is it going to go? Is the correction over? Well, typically, after a parabolic run up, you get a 50 to 60% correction, sometimes a 70% correction, right? So if we go from PEPE's all-time high all the way from the bottom of the chart, you can see he's currently down 68%, approximately 70% correction on PEPE. So at this point, the selling pressure has weakened. So the question is this truly the area where PEPE is going to trade sideways? That's the question. Nobody knows that. No, the only thing people can tell you is the probabilities and maybe a pattern is trading in. I've seen so many cryptos like last bull run that after they came off their epic all-time high, like your Cadenas, I could go down the list with a lot of those cryptos. They crashed about 60 to 70%, and then they bounced a couple times, right, up to the next resistance, maybe to the second highest resistance point, and then they rolled over time all the way back down to where they even began the whole move. Yeah, guys. So I know we'd like to love these cryptos and think that they will not crash, but the reality is they go up and then they crash. Some of these cryptos go up and then they crash. They have to have a correction at some point, So if you're buying PEPE, I wouldn't do a heavy buy right here, but dollar cost averaging is not a bad idea. Yeah, it crashed hard. It did. It was too much euphoria. And the crazy thing is, if we were in a bull run, I think that Pepe would have went higher. I think Pepe would have went to like a 4 to 5, maybe even a $6 billion market cap. I totally believe that. But he did this in a bear market for alts. So that's a pretty big accomplishment, if you ask me. And he's on all the major exchanges already, except for Coinbase. So I think Coinbase will list Pepe once his correction has started, or he's somewhere in the period of his correction phase. Because that's what they did with Shiba Inu. People wanted them to list Shiba Inu while the price was running up and it was high. It was a bit overvalued. And normally US companies, they buy distressed assets. So assets that are on a discount, if you will. Why would they pay for Pepe if they still consider it overvalued? In this zone here, this could be a good deal. This could be an area where they list Pepe. Or maybe they wait for here, or even here. So, there's plenty of other bullish news announcements that they could, or alpha they could drop for Pepe. But what else could they drop right now that would make people ape back into Pepe after they just made a crap load of money? If you watch my video, when I did my video on Pepe, you made a 15x. You didn't take any profits in 2 weeks. Did you think it was just going to the moon? Yeah, and it literally did. It did, It did. No doubt it did. So I did my video around there. Yeah, you made a 15x, literally. The 15x. I did the video right around here. Yeah, right around, yeah, almost a 20x. My goodness. Yeah, it's crypto and meme tokens. Sometimes we hold on to them longer than we actually should. The question is with meme tokens is you got to ask yourself, what meme token has staying power? What meme token is going to be on people's lips next year? Okay, that wasn't the right analogy. You guys get what I'm saying? What meme token would people still be talking about 12 months from now? If you honestly think that meme token is the one you're holding, then hold it. But for me, it is clear what's going on with Pepe. Pepe was very disruptive. What he did in 4 weeks is insane. It's on crypto.com. It's on Binance. It's on KuCoin. Next is Coinbase eventually. So the easier people have access to Pepe during the bull run, it's going to be insane how explosive his movements will be during the bull run. I totally believe that. Yeah, it did. It went to the moon. Even in the last 2 weeks, that was the time to get in, because that's when it hit my radar. And I said, oh, what is this? Okay. Yeah, I think soon, I don't know. But I think Shib will wake up eventually. I totally think that. He'll wake up eventually. And here's the thing. I mentioned this in the Patreon. I said, hey, Shiba Inu, I think he's going to wake up once Pepe starts closing in on him by market cap. Yeah, I think they're going to have a battle. You're going to hear all of this alpha about Shiba Inu and all these things and whatnot. And yeah, Shib army will come out in full force. Yeah, it's going to be crazy. But I don't think you'll get it before that time. Yeah, because SHIB is just chilling. He's like the #2 meme coin. He's just chilling. He's nobody else is really a threat. Except for PEPE. But PEPE is only a few X's away right now in this bear market. But I do think that SHIB will recover at some point. Market cap is 5.3 billion. And look, he's been holding that tough. And so here's the deal, guys. Look, this is almost identical to PEPE. It literally is. Oh my gosh, I never really looked at this. Look, this was the Binance listing. Right? And so then let's go down 73%. What we say, 70% correction for PEPE? That's right around here. And from here, this is the cluster that we had. Let's see, can I duplicate this chart? Can I duplicate? Yeah, I'm gonna duplicate. Follow me here, guys. So if I duplicate hit this, I go to PEPE and I go, let's see. PEPE's chart. Let's see. Remove all drawings. Let's see. So I'm on the daily here. And then here I'm on the daily. So where did SHIB hit? Oh, where's PEPE now? So PEPE is on the daily. He is 61%. Well, he did retrace 61%. It's now 51%, but he retraced 62% from the all-time high, approximately. So 62% for SHIB. For me, this area here looks like watch this area here. See this, guys? Follow me. This was the cluster here before the Binance explosion, right? Before the Binance explosion and sell-off. So this area right here looks like, to me, let me see here. See, you don't have enough buy data here. So I would have to go into the 4 hour to show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, it looks like this area here. This reminds me of this area here. Okay. And so you can see here, people thought that this would hold. This area here would hold. Once he got into this zone, they might have thought that this would hold, right? Because there was some type of consolidation here for a few days even. And he didn't even hold that. Eventually, he lost it. So this could be us right here. This zone here with PEPE. This could be us right here. And so what you do is you get some type of bounce out of here, and it looks like we're going to get a relief rally that'll go higher, and then he rolls over and dumps, pumps back into this box, and then it just fizzles out and fades. Now, what could prevent PEPE from doing this is if he's able to stay above this level as we go into the next bull run. Yeah. So if we go into the next bull run in the next few weeks, which I don't really see alt season happening in the next few weeks, that's the only way I see him staying above where he is now comfortably. But I think that it's realistic that PEPE comes down here. It makes sense for me because there's not enough market structure here. All this empty space over here. Just like SHIB, you have all this empty space over here. There's nothing. There's no support here. Now, once SHIB gets back above this zone here, follow me. Once he gets back above this zone or in this region, he's got history. He's got history in this zone of price action. Before there was no historical price action here. This is all empty. This is all empty space. All this is just empty space here. Empty. There's nothing here. It's the same for PEPE. There's no price history. All this is just empty space. Like the abyss. It's just empty. There's no buys and sells over here. There's some here, right? There's a few here, right? These are people who bought here and it caused the price to just shoot to the moon. Almost to the moon. If you ask me, he went to the moon. Now, you know what? He could stay above this zone and do something we've never seen before. But I'm prepared mentally for what I just showed you guys. Totally. What is Tom token? Tom token, CT token? No, I never heard of this. What is Tom token? What's the ticker? Tom token? No, I don't know this. Tom. Oh yeah. I told the Patreons about this one this morning. Actually, yeah, I put the signal out for this one like right here, and then Tom ripped a couple hours later. Yeah, I think I put the signal out right around here. Tom did a massive rip. Yeah, he did a crazy rip. Did you get in on that? That was a crazy come up if you got in on those. Tom is supposed to be Ben's best friend. Yeah, I looked at the website because I remember looking at it just hours ago, way before all of this. Yo, Pleb is getting no love. What's the deal? But memes are like, they're very unpredictable though. They're unpredictable, guys. You just never know. They could just pump because of news or, just a random pump by some pump group too. So once these meme tokens get on exchanges, if they're able to stay there and they're actually doing, active things to keep the project active or bring utility to the token, that's what's going to be interesting. Like, what meme tokens are really going to have that breakthrough utility that we haven't seen before? So I don't know all the details with Shibarium and stuff like that, but you got Doge chain, and then you got some other meme token chains that are launching too. There's also a PEPE chain out there too, but the original devs from PEPE are not associated with it from my research. Yeah, I would like for them to be the developers on their own chain personally. I think it just makes sense. Why not? Why not do a PEPE chain from the developers of PEPE? It's a different project at that point versus, a separate team of devs doing a PEPE chain project. Now, I'm not saying that they can't collaborate and coexist, but I would think that would just, maybe that's good, maybe that's bad, not sure. But this space is constantly innovating, guys. So, you know, we're all students of this space. So I'll never try to claim that I know everything, because every day there's something new going on with crypto. Literally, sometimes multiple times throughout the day, you'll learn something new. You're like, what? I didn't know that was possible. Yeah. So there's so much innovation and so much competition. It's good. It's good for the space. Especially how all these projects are starting to use AI now too. Look, we've been talking about PEPE and meme coins for like a month. Almost nobody is talking about AI right now. How insane is that? You see how fast this space moves? It's crazy, right? What other cryptos y'all bullish on? Give me some 100x memes, undiscovered crypto gems, meme coins, utility coins. You guys bullish on any other cryptos besides meme coins? What's BAM? BAM looks really bullish, guys. Wow, yeah, Ben. I told you Ben was about to push up. Wow, Ben is geeking. Ooh. Ooh, wee. Nice. Is Ben trying to go to $100 million market cap? It really feels like it. Wow. Wow. Congrats if you got in on Ben. Especially if it was after you watched my video. Yeah, because, you know, like I said, I've been following Ben Armstrong for a minute. So like I said, I got mad respect for him. So for him to back this Ben token, I think that's pretty bullish. And he's got a lot of followers. He's got a big community. And so it just shows you the power of you know, what can happen when an influencer of his scale, his experience, and his stature gets behind a token. You know what I'm saying? It's explosive. And this could be the new trend. I think there's another token where there's an influencer is backing it. Is it the Mong token? I think it might be the Mong token. So I think you're going to have more. This could be a new trend. I think you could have more influencers who drop their own tokens. Yeah. I mean, you've got decentralized social, right? But maybe they just drop their own tokens on Ethereum. Ethereum is everywhere. I'm bullish on DSO though. I think it's a bullish project. I don't own any. Wow, it is really geeking. It is really pushing up, guys. Yeah, that 30-minute. Oh man, it's about to really, really rip, guys. So where could it go? Let's see. Where could Ben go? I'm gonna tell you guys. Let's see if this part of this video ages well. Where could it go? I'm gonna tell you where it's going. Should this play out? So Ben is going up another. Let's see here. Ben is about to double, literally. He's going to 28. Now, I don't know if it's going to be a wick up there. It might be a wick on a 5 or 15 or 20 or 30-minute candle, but he's looking like he definitely wants to hit that zone. Now, don't buy now just because I showed you that. Don't chase that because you might mess around and get wrecked and this doesn't happen. I'm just saying. That looks like that's where he wants to go based on the fib zones. If he goes past there, I'll tell you where else he's going. He's going to 45. He's going to 62. Yeah. And Ben just got listed on Poloniex today too. So if this happens, you're looking at another 330% move from Ben. It's totally possible. So that would be what, a 100, 200, 300. That would be a 300% increase on Ben's market cap. So let's see what the numbers are on that. That would be 60. So 120, 180, a 240, $250 million market cap. Ben has the potential to hit that. I definitely think $100 million market cap is totally possible for Ben. Totally. Based on the fib zones. Yeah. Yeah, meme season. This is the most interesting meme season that I've seen. It's more explosive than the other two that I experienced. People really want the bull run to start. We are bored as crypto investors. I am bored. Literally. I remember the first bull run I was in. That was what, after Bitcoin first hit 20K. It was so hard to dollar cost average. You didn't have this type of excitement with meme coins. You did around the time Shiba Inu hit, right? But it wasn't this. We didn't really have the power to make our own tokens and trade on Uniswap like that. You know, that came later. Now you can just spin up your own token. I could create a token right now on a live stream and put it out there and put some liquidity into Uniswap and people will go buy it. We have that freedom. Or on PancakeSwap or QuickSwap. You know, it's insane. We have way more options now. This space is so innovative, you know, and it can truly create financial freedom for those who participate in certain ways. So you got hodlers, you got people who just like to hodl in DCA. You got people who want the fast money, trade on Uniswap, get in and out, boom. I mean, all you got to do is 9x $1,000 and you're at $1 million. You see what I'm saying? Or you 18x $500. You could literally do that on Uniswap with these meme tokens right now. If you played the game right, if you played the game that way and you were just getting in and out of these Uniswap meme tokens as soon as you got a double or triple over the past few weeks, you should be sitting on so many gains right now. Of course, not including the taxes you probably owe, right? Depending on your location. Yeah, the problem is sometimes we hold on to these memes too long. Yeah. A lot of people like the strategy that I prefer, which is to, after the crypto doubles, after that meme token doubles, take out your initial profit, your initial investment. That way you remove your risk. But sometimes we ride those meme tokens a little too long. But after you get burned a couple times, you figure it out. You figure out what you should be doing, or you figure out that this is not for you and you just stick to dollar cost averaging. But a lot of people right now, they're overlooking a lot of the fundamental cryptos because they're just boring. They're not as exciting as meme tokens. Meme coins are just so fun. I found a few more today that I'll bring to you guys soon, but I think they got potential and I see people accumulating them. So the meme space, I think that even when the bull run starts, I think the meme space is going to be running. It's going to be kind of like, it won't be like gaming. The meme space is like a underground. Crypto is already kind of underground, mainstream underground, but the meme space, this is like the underground of crypto, until you have one of these cryptos break into the mainstream and become a household name. That's the meme space. But if you're able to get in on these cryptos early and plug in where you need to be plugged in, you can catch the move and make money. But as soon as you make that money, you got to get out. You don't always know which one of these is going to do 1,000x. You know, you just don't know unless you got the inside scoop, or you're part of a group or something, or you know what I'm saying, or you have good tools to help you scan the market, you know, or you just have a different strategy on how you find these cryptos with social media. A lot of stuff online right now, especially with people's wallets, blockchain data. If you are using certain tools or ways of finding out this type of information, you can get the drop on a lot of stuff before other people. Jules, y'all got any other jewels y'all looking at? Meme coins or utility coins? What else you guys got? What's Bambi doing? Pepe still at 1854. Oh, Bam want to pump. Bam want to pimp. All right, looks like Bam is about to break out that 1 hour. Yeah. It looks like Bam is about to push up hard. Okay, so where could Bam go? Let's see. I could totally see that. That's definitely inbound. Yeah, 100% move is incoming. Bam. Yeah, we'll see how this plays out, but that's what I think is going to happen for Bambi. All right, guys. Well, I just wanted to have a quick live stream. You guys got any cryptos you want me to check out? You ain't got nothing? Thought you guys had some cryptos you might want me to check out. All right, yeah. I already answered the question on Shiba Inu. I think Shiba Inu is going to wake up one day. Lambo, IBP was good. What's the deal? Welcome. We dropping bombs over here. Yes. Lambo, we got a request. Let's check out Lambo. $3.7 million market cap. Ooh, gave all of it back. See, if you up here and you in profit and you bought down here, you gotta take profits. Like, seriously. Did you still holding this, or did you take profits? What's your status on this? This has had its run. If you ask me, it had its run. Yeah. See, guys, this is what I'm talking about with Pepe. See, there's a block here. This is where Pepe is. He's only got support here, and people think that this is gonna hold here. A lot of people think this is gonna hold. You're gonna get one more pump, and then he's gonna dump. He's gonna do this. I totally think that. Like I said, I could be wrong, but I think this is fried. Put a fork in her. She's done. This is done. This is done. If you buy this right now, anybody buys this right now, no good. That's no good. No good idea. No good idea. Let's pull a fib on this. I'll pull it from here. Let's see here. Yeah, it ain't looking good. It's not looking good for the home team. And actually, check it out. If I pull it from the height of the actual move. Okay, if you pull it from the exact bottom, he's lost to 786. He's right at the 786, like literally. No, technically, no, he's lost it. He's lost to 786. It's now resistance. He's trying to get back above it. Yeah. He's trying to get back above it. I would not buy this here. I think you might get another up and then roll over. So where could he go should he lose this support? How many days market structure do you have here? Okay, so you have 1 day. He traded here for 1 day in this zone. He traded for 1 day in this region. I don't think that that's enough. That's not enough consolidation there for him to hold this region as support. I think he's about to lose this support. You're going to get maybe one spike out of this if he doesn't just drop sharply. Are you still up on Lambo? How many X's are you up? If you're in profit, I would at least take out my initial. If you just wanted to leave something in there. If you just wanted to leave something in there, I would just take out my initial. I totally would. But if you ask me personally, I think he's coming down here. I think he's coming down here, which would be another 40 to 50% retrace. I think he's coming down here to this zone. With these memes, it's literally the flavor of the week, flavor of the day, flavor of the week. It really is. Yeah, this one hit my radar too. I didn't get in on it. I have not gotten in on it because of the market cap. And yeah, the volume is insane. You're right. It's already trading on L Bank, I think. Yeah, it's already trading on L Bank. Yeah, this was a crazy move here. How many? There's 444 billion. So it's up 150%. All right, so a good entry would have been around 10 to $15 million market cap. Golem, I think these guys. Oh, let me wrap up my analysis here. Yeah, before I move on. Yeah, people are buying this. You got 3,500 holders. It could totally 3x from here. It could totally hit 100 million market cap. Easily. Yep. Let me check out the site. 4. Yeah, this is some whale insider stuff going on here. That's what it looks like. I'm not trying to disrespect anybody, but this looks like it's something serious, something big. Yeah, so some people with big money are behind 4. That's what I can guess. What's the Twitter? let's do some Dick Tracy work. Is anybody talking about this? 4 people. Who are these people? These guys look like some influencers. Why does this one kind of look like Elon Musk? Yeah, there's big money behind this one, guys. You know what? Could it be that some of the exchanges are behind some of these meme coins? I was talking about that the other day. I totally think that they are. In some form or fashion. That looks like, don't that look like CZ? Is that supposed to be CZ Binance? I don't know, guys. Hey, didn't he have a picture where he was holding up the number 4? A couple days ago or something like that. I saw it on Twitter. Maybe it's correlated, guys. I don't know. Really don't know. Oh, let me go one at a time. Golem. Golem is just hurting, man. Golem is hurting. My goodness. It's down. You had some buys today. You had a lot of buys yesterday, and then today it's just they just been dumping ETH. Wow, 107 followers. Times are tough in the crypto world. So many projects are down significantly. But if you invest in Golem, don't worry. You haven't lost anything, but you haven't won anything yet either. We're working hard to build something great. So just relax and let us do our thing. Maybe you want to accumulate. It's on a massive discount. I'm saying you buy red, but I'm not trying to say go buy Golem right now. You know, you got to feel good about that. Ben already pushing up. Did he hit my target already? Did he hit my target? Yeah, he already hit my target. My goodness. Wow. Wow. Nice. Wow, he like literally hit my line and came back down. That was very precise. And that's crazy volatility, guys. Almost while I was doing a live stream or short before, he dipped down here and had almost a 80% move. Wow, that's crazy. Whoever bought that dip, they definitely gonna take some profits. But the liquidity is sufficient enough to handle those kind of sales. All right, so yeah, that's Golem. You never know. You never know. Sometimes it's best to just buy red, and sometimes it's best to just leave it alone. You got to decide what you want to do. But here's the deal with Golem. I'm going to say this about Golem and taking the risk with Golem. All right. If you were to take the risk with Golem. If you were to take the risk with Golem, it's down 50% today. It's at a 10K market cap, guys. Let's do math right quick. 100K is 10x away. If Golem went to a $1 million market cap, you would 100x your money. That's Golem. Yeah. Print the PEPE. What is that? What do you say? PEPE looks like it's always moving. It gives PEPE and rewards for holding it. It looks like double bottom. Let me see. Print the PEPE. Yo, that name, man. That name is a trip, though. Print the PEPE. We having fun with it. It's meme season. Mm. 4 hour looks like it wants to curl up. Yeah, it could be a double bottom. It could be. Let's see on the 12 hour. Okay, so on the 12 hour, it looks like you might get a bounce here soon. Let's see here. Let's see here. Yeah, he's at the last line of defense, to be honest. He's at the last line of defense. But I think you could get a bounce here short term. You could probably get a 50% pop from here. Yo, Art was good. What we got? What we got? Yeah. PPP. There's no way they're not in this easy money and they can't control the flow. What's that? Yeah, Golem, I think you just got to monitor it. Yeah, that's PP. I think it's at its last line of support, but I could see a I could definitely see a 40 to 50% pop on PP. Let me pull a fib on this move here. Pull a fib on this move. I like to do inside fibs too, because you can get additional insight. What's going on, yo? Let me see. So yeah, so if you pull an inside fib from the most recent move, he's at resistance, and you have another resistance here. So I think you definitely get a retest of this zone to here, which is, damn, that's almost a 60% move. It's possible. Do you think holding over 20 meme coins is good? No. I'll tell you why. I did that before in my first meme season, and I lost so much money. Meme coins are not meant to be held. Not all meme coins are equal. I'm gonna say that again. Not all meme coins are equal. You can't hold on to them, and not all of them. With meme coins, the strategy goes like this. Which meme coin do you think has the most staying power? In crypto, with meme coins, when something's a hit, normally it's a hit like instantly. You know what I'm saying? Like it's a hit instantly. Now, that's not always the case. People could be sleeping on a meme coin until somebody famous talks about it, or people just start talking about it for however they talk about it. But not all meme coins are meant to be held through, the stormy weather. You got to take profits on some of them. Some meme coins are really just trades. Sadly as it is, they're just trades. Perhaps PEPE is the next Shiba Inu for the next bull run, but within the first 45 days of its existence, perhaps it was the best trade. Now, if you're long on PEPE, I think you're going to be fine, but you're going to have to deal with the turbulence. And also, wherever PEPE bottoms out at, you can buy more, because I do think that PEPE is going to a multi-billion-dollar market cap next bull run. I could be wrong. I don't have a crystal ball, but when a meme coin gets listed on all of, the major exchanges, not Coinbase yet, within a short period of time, or even just in general, then you want to pay attention to it. But just to have a whole bunch of meme coins in your portfolio, unless you have a strong thesis for holding them other than hopium, if you got hopium meme coins in your wallet, you're probably going to be very disappointed. Like, unless those meme coins have a catalyst or a strong community, even if there's a strong community behind the meme coin, meme coins are like hit or miss. People like the new shiny meme coins most of the time. How many people have been talking about SHIB the last month? How many people have been talking about Dogecoin the last month? We're talking about been the past 24 hours. So we know how this space goes. The new shiny stuff pumps the hardest, and the utility cryptos that haven't had bull runs, they pump the hardest, or I'll say they pump hard during the bull run because they never had a bull run. And quite often, a lot of stuff from the last bull run doesn't pump as hard the next bull run. I'm talking outside of the meme cryptos. So, and that could be a number of reasons. So, right. So for you to get the same gains from Dogecoin that you did from buying Dogecoin before its last all-time high, you may not get those again. Right? Because Dogecoin was under a penny. Right now, Dogecoin, after his all-time high, never went back to under a penny. See what I'm saying? So he can get back to his all-time high, but the multiple for your gains is going to be what? What's that? 8x, 9x, maybe 10. It's not going to be the 100x from under a penny. See what I'm saying? So wherever PEPE consolidates at, the gains won't be the same as you buying it at $100 million market cap. So if you bought at $100 million market cap, for more than likely, he ain't gonna go back that low. So for the most part, you'll probably stay in profit a couple X's, maybe 3 or 4x, 5x. You'll stay in profit around that range until we get the Coinbase listing and we're in a bull run, and then it's go time. But I wouldn't have 20 memes. I don't think that there are 20 memes that are worth holding, honestly. You've seen so much crazy stuff. You've seen, what did we see? We saw Pooh, right? We saw Pooh. What is it, Pooh? P-O-O-H? Yeah, Pooh. I was telling you guys, Pooh had hit my radar when it came out. And that was before I had even invested in PEPE. And I thought, why would they do a token for Winnie the Pooh? How wrong was I? Yeah, I found out about Pooh around here, day 1, day 2. I did not get into it. So if you bought Pooh here, right? If you bought Pooh here, like right around here, and you didn't take any profits, my goodness. A 26,000%, and you didn't take profits, even off on $100 or $500. That's insane money. That's a 250x. Now, most people wouldn't be holding this long up to here, right? Hopefully they were taking profits along the way. All right, but this kind of run, you got to take profits. With memes, especially with memes, it should be easy to sell but harder to buy, right? So you want to figure out, okay, do I really want to buy this? That should be the tough part. When you're up 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000%, it should be easy for you to sell. You didn't have to go work, sweat, get on the bus, drive through rain, sleet, snow for the money. Why would you not take that? In crypto, there's always going to be another opportunity. That's my state of mind. I have an opportunistic state of mind, and I don't view this market with emotion. When I first got into crypto, I viewed it with emotion. So I would hold on to cryptos with no strong thesis for holding them. No plan, no strong plan. It was just hopium. A lot of people new to crypto, they hold cryptos and they hold those cryptos with hopium. There's no, catalyst. Okay, you know what? Damn, you know what? This is Polygon-matic. Ethereum's going to need a scaling solution. Man, I've never seen this before. I might want to hold some of this. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But with memes, it's really tricky because they're community. You can't predict community. You can't predict how community is going to react because not everybody in a community who's holding a meme is investing without emotion. So any bit of news can make them bullish or bearish. So when you see a crypto like PEPE make so much progress in a short period of time, that would stick out to me as a crypto, a meme coin that has staying power. I want to hold cryptos. If you could find 20 cryptos that realistically have staying power for the next bull run, which I don't think that exists. There's a bunch of memes that has solid use cases and, big plans and roadmaps from last bull run, and they are gone now. They're gone. Like, they're gone. Yeah. So a lot of these memes, as awesome as they are slow burners. So if you come into a lot of money really quickly, you may want to just make sure you take your profits. Don't just leave everything in there. Take profits. That's my recommendation. What up, fam? Your thoughts on Ben? Yeah, I think Ben has a lot of potential. I think Ben is going to $100 million market cap. I think it's totally possible. It's already at a 60. I think it's possible. What's Gammy? I heard of Gammy. I know this. I think this is a gaming token, ain't it? Is this Gammy? Oh, wow. 27K holders. Ooh, this just fell off a cliff. My goodness. Yeah, I think it's a wrap. It's coming back down here. It's coming back down here. Totally. I totally think that. What else you got? Do you think snappy names like Pepe, Ben, Bam do much better than Print? The Pepe AC. Golem might be suffering and die because of the enemy. What is that? That is scary. Thoughts? It's possible. It's possible, but the best thing you can do is just follow their Twitter and their Telegram to see if they remain active. You so right. On AI, not much talk about that. See, that's trends, guys. I've been in the space long enough to know, and mind you, as I mentioned before, as much as I know, I still consider myself a student of the space. I'm constantly learning. We're all constantly learning. But one thing I learned is that the trends come and they go. Bitcoin, alt season, hot, AI, what else? Real world assets. Anything that is a narrative trend comes and goes. Our jobs as the investors, our jobs is to get into those sectors and those things, get into the trend before it's a trend. That's the trick. You get into the trend before it's a trend. All right. So move to earn. Get into it before it's a trend. Gaming, get into it before it's a trend. Metaverse, get into it before it's a trend. What else? What else we got? There's so many. There's so many. Metaverses. Get into it before it's a trend. See what I'm saying? Yeah, that's the best way to play it. Best way to play it. And as soon as you recognize the trend, if you didn't get in before, take action. Take action and get in. Because when the trend comes, if you sleeping, you'll miss it and you'll miss out on opportunity. So I know a lot of people like to just, you know, DCA and hodl. And that's fine too. But, you know, you can also make money off of the trends too. Layer 2 scaling solutions, right? Yeah. Bitcoin. Will it ever need a layer 2 scaling solution? Similar to Polygon? Maybe. Maybe. That's what I think. But all right, guys, I just wanted to hang out with you guys. I had a little time. So, yeah. I'm around, guys. You guys can check out the DeFi Moneyverse Telegram link. The link is in the description. Well, it will be in the description. Anyway, it's in the description of all of my videos. Okay. So you can check there and just be a fly on the wall. I'll put the link in the description of this video here. Oh, matter of fact, I think I can do it now. Let me see. Let me see here. See here, I put this in here. All right, so I'm updating the links right now in the description of this video, so you guys can check it out. You guys can be a fly on the wall. Check out the DeFi Moneyverse. Also got the Patreon link there too. All right, so let me just add some tags here so people can find the video. Yeah. All right, guys. So I am going to break off. I enjoyed hanging out with you guys. All right. I really have enjoyed hanging out with you guys. Seriously. Let's see here. I think the chat is not showing anymore. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the live stream, because I did. All right. I'm going to break off here and I will catch you guys later. All right. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. I enjoyed the time and I'll catch up with you guys later. All right. Yeah. DEUSRYPTO out.